Okay, ano na atong mga AIM nga mga gwapo kayo oh.
Bilis
Kung
good.
unsa ka gwapo, maupod ka gwapo ang ilang gitrabaho.
Industrial works na. Bilis. Ikaw na, ipapas mo. Ang buka.
Itaw sa helmet, itaw sa.
Yang ni siya. Ano? Mariker ang sa suga o sa kuan. Lahat na lang. Morning, ma'am. Morning, sir. Have a nice day. Laro na. I'm gonna use my name. There.
Okay. Hey, ma'am.
This is two lamps controlled in 3 locations with a special outlet by this one and 2 convenience outlet. These 2. And this is our meter base and our main panel. Yung nakong pan.
Oo, first of lah. Gidungan. Sige.
Ano ko?
Okay.
I-off na ko pikas.
Gunitan yung ano.
I-on na ko dire. Ayun, pikas. Single switch.
Okay.
Ang mga outlets kay na testera na namo.
Okay. Thank you.
This is our finished product, finished output for the 2 lamps controlled in 3 locations with SPO, special outlet and 2 convenience outlet. We have here the meter base, then we have also our panel board. 6 branch. We have our main breaker, which is 60 amperes, which is connected in the main line, and we have our 15 amps, which is also the supply for our lightings. We have also our 30 amps for our SPO, special outlet. Also 20 amps for our convenience outlet also. Yeah. We will now test our
Lights.
our
Lights.
lights. First, the three-way switch. Ay, okay.
Naunang plangka. Yung tanan.
Yun sa na to ang main breaker. Okay. Yun sa tanan. Pero, paano pa day? Nakuman na ni namog kuan.
Test.
Tester. Before na mo gi-kuan sa kanang kuan sa main line, i-connect. Okay. Then palong magyapon unta. Palong sa single switch. Okay. Palong.
Meter dayon.
Then
Tara.
hindi okay na. Okay na, nasulayan na po namo ni sa kuan. Na po siya kuan voltahe. Okay, thank you.
Two lamp, two television, single switch, single lamp, and with this O, 2 SO and is SPO. Switch on, then turn off. Okay. Switch on, turn off. Okay. Single switch and single lamp on. Okay.
Good afternoon. Tools and control location with SPO and CO. This SPO and CO. First switch on. Off. On. Off. Single switch. Okay. That's all.
Afternoon everyone. By the way, I'm Dennis Manarondo and this is my work about two lamps controlled in 3 locations with SPO and convenience outlet. As you can see, if we on this first switch, this is a 3-way switch and you can off this. And this is a single switch. And ano siya ang convenience outlet. Ini is special outlet o convenience outlet din. Dahil line is lang circuit breaker sa convenience outlet 1, convenience outlet 2, dahil siya circuit breaker o sa SPO, the special outlet. Mara na.
Yeah, no.
Okay, goods.
This is two lamps controlled in 3 locations with SPO and CO. This is three-way.
Tara. Iyon dito sa pikas pre din, sa pikas palunga. Okay, iyon dia.
Ang sigaw may kamot.
Gini.
Pro pa day. Jump.
On. Off.
On. Off. Ito nga.
On.
Off.
Off.
Oh, wow. Perfect. Amazing.